Well, I'm here at the Advanced Hair Studio, a place where I came 7, 8 years ago. With age, your hair start thinning, and I've been so fortunate to come here because they've looked after me and looked after my natural hair and got it back to where it was.
And with Advanced Hair Studio, I've had a haircut.
And it looks fantastic.
Well, whatever is individually required, right, Warning?
Absolutely.
जब मुझे पता लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं मेरे बाल टूटने लगे हैं, बीच से जाने लगे हैं, तो उस टाइम पे उसका सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट जो वो मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस पे हुआ।
Hair loss affected my confidence and the way I felt. So Advanced Hair Studio's revolutionary strand-by-strand procedure beat my hair loss.
If anyone wants to consult about any hair problem, Advanced Hair Studio is the best place to approach because I've been very satisfied since last 3.5 years.
I've been with AHS for about close to 8 to 9 years. They've taken very good care of me, from guidance to styling to the expertise. It's just been a wonderful experience and a wonderful bunch. So nothing but good vibes for everyone at AHS.